Hey guys, what's up? It is Alicia Jones here. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel today. Okay, so today I am going to be showing you guys this wet and wavy wig I got by Shake and Go. I made it and it came with 4 bundles. I will have all the information in the description box, and I have a little bit of footage of how I put it together. It's not perfect. This is my first time recording myself making a wig, so you guys please be patient with me, okay? So this is the hair. Guys, this hair is so cute. It was super dirty at first, so if you do get the hair, please be sure to wash it, but I love it. It's super soft. There is 18, 18, 16, and half a bundle of 14 in here, and then there is a closure, which I think is a 14 or 12 inch closure. I'm not sure. It does not have the information posted, but you guys stay tuned to see everything there is to know about this wig. Okay guys, so I started off with my wig cap that I got from $2.99 from my local beauty supply, and then my scissors, and also I have my curved needle, which you can use for sew-ins and making wigs. I got that from my local beauty supply, which is Hollywood Beauty. And I got my T-pins, which I hold the hair in place after I place the glue sometimes. My glue gun, which I got from Target, and my glue sticks. Now this is the Shake and Go Naked Nature Brazilian Virgin Remy hair, and it's in its natural color. I purchased that from my local beauty supply as well. It comes with a silk-based 14-inch closure, and the hair is very soft, you guys. It's really soft. Where you make the wig, I would recommend you either washing it before you install the hair, if you're getting a sew-in with it or whatever it is, or before you wear it, just wash it, because it was very dirty. I don't know if it was the coloring on the hair or what that was, but it comes with the 2 18-inch bundles, 2 16-inch bundles, and 2 14-inch bundles, and the 14-inch closure. So here I am just placing the glue. And be careful guys, because I burnt myself like 3 or 4 times with the glue. So you can use like a rat tail comb to help you smooth it out, and so the wig can lay as flat as possible. Okay guys, so I have installed 2 bundles. Both were the 18-inch, and I'm now about to put in the 16-inch, and that's what it's looking like so far. I sewed in the closure, and that's what it's looking like. The hair is really pretty. It's really pretty. It's really soft. But yes guys, like I said, this is my second time making a wig with a hot glue gun. I usually make my wigs with the regular hair glue, the black hair glue. So just be patient with me. I am not a professional. I'm not really calling it a tutorial. This is just how I make my wigs, and I wanted to include some of the footage for you guys. So please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and thank you guys for tuning in. Let's get back to the video.
Savannah. Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a strive.
Alright guys, so this is the finished product of the wig that I made. I mean, and it was all trial and error. I'm gonna do a side part. So I still gotta like work with the part right there, but this is what it looks like, and it's supposed to wave up when you put water on it. So I'm gonna show you guys what that looks like too. So oh, I'm tripping. Let me show you guys the length of it. That's the length of it. And then in the back, that's the length of it. I don't know, like straight hair is really not one of my favorites. Let me suggest the flat iron I got from the beauty supply, a red flat iron. Oh, your flat iron's nice. I have it on the highest setting. Oh yeah, I like that. Your flat iron's nice, guys. Okay, so this is what it looks like, guys. It's some really, really soft hair. I mean, it's really, really soft. Yeah. It smells good. Y'all know I smell my stuff when I first buy it. But it smells really good. I'm gonna come back and show you what it looks like curled. Alright guys, so this is it. I washed it. And this is the curls on the wig, the Wet and Wavy wig. Okay, so I tried to let it air dry and it was taking too long. And now this is how it is. So I just went in and I started blow drying it. So that is the wig, guys. Alright, I'm gonna brush it and see what the curls look like after that. Oh my gosh, guys. Okay. So this is how it looks. This is really cute. This is how it looks when I just combed it. This is the curls unbothered. There we go. Oh, I really like that. So it's a little dry, so I'm gonna have to like moisturize it some. But I'm going to go ahead and comb out this other side too. Ooh, it's cute. You guys know I love curly hair. Let me show you the back. And this is a wig I made by myself. This is the second wig I made with the hot glue gun. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh. I love it. So I'm gonna come back with an update on this hair. I washed it. It was hella dirty. This hair was so dirty. Oh my gosh. Like, straight hair is not for me. This I like. So let me know what you guys think. Do you like it better straight? Do you like it better wavy and curly? I don't know. I'm gonna make some more wigs. They had other hair there. So just so pleased with it. I love it. There we go. Ooh-wee. This is just so cute. You guys, thank you so much for tuning in to my video today. I appreciate you guys. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah.